here we are at the end result of the fork. Whoa! We had a fall.
You gotta go around this way. Go around. Hey!
Actually not bad. It's pretty cool.
It does, huh?
It's fluffy snow. So
it's very, very sticky.
We're gonna probably lose power. Alright, I gotta go back over.
Alright. Look at this.
Whee! Yay! Okay, do it again so Mimi can get you on the camera so we can put it on your Facebook. On Mama's Facebook.
Get a picture of her right at the top of the...
Top of the slide? Okay. Now this is what you do for a little toddler.
Okay,
She's 2 years old.
sit there for a minute, okay?
She'll be 3 next month.
Take a picture. So sit on the slide. No, wait! Sit just like this. Now don't move. Wait for me.
Wait.
Wait for me to take a picture. Don't eat snow.
Move, Mom.
Alright, take a picture. Look at me.
Wave hi.
Did you get one at the top?
Yes, I got one.
Okay. I'm so happy. This is awesome.
Oh, isn't this cool? This is what's having fun with little ones is really all about.
Hey, don't keep eating snow. It's yucky.
Snow's got bugs in it, honey.
Your foot stuck? You want me to help?
She fell down. See? Just add a little bit of extra fun into it because they're so little and stuff. It's not like they can play snowball and all that stuff like some of the others can and everything. So this is just extra fun for the little one because she's so tiny. Ooh, you can hear some snapping already of trees.
A tree fell.
A tree fell right in the driveway?
No, in the woods over there. But it's just a skinny little tree. Okay, Kara.
Oh my goodness. So it'd probably be almost like an ice storm and stuff. I mean, look at this. Look how heavy the snow is on the tree already. It's all the snow that's on. So that kind of gives you an idea of what kind of a storm we're having right now. That's going on. Yeah, and the little one having fun. But I mean, it's all, woo. There you go, having fun. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll bring you some more. Wow. Hopefully this will be the last storm of the season. Yay, hoping. All right, bye-bye.